Welcome to Selena's kitchen.
I have a question for the both of you. Would you ever do a competition, like a culinary celebrity?
Absolutely not.
A lot of people use their knife to smash it, but I feel like that's a little dangerous. So I like to use the bottom of the jar and I just like press down.
Oh my gosh. She shattered it.
We're gonna break down this plantain.
How many do we need?
I would just say 2.
Oh, good. You did a good job cutting. See, when there's like no technique needed, you actually kill it.
That's a great compliment.
Good job.
There you go, you're doing it. Perfect. You can cut them in half. That's great. It's looking good. Now we'll taste that, see if it needs more salt.
All right, this is pretty damn good.
Whoa.
You wanna... Yeah, be careful because it's very heavy.
Yeah, is that on?
Perfect. See, that didn't work.
It fell off.
I'm sorry.
Let's look at our vegetables in the oven, shall we? They should be nice and charred. I'm gonna show you what mine look like.
So sorry, the alarm's going off. Oh no. Where is it?
This gets better by the minute.
I think they're looking good.
This is amazing.
Okay, here we go.
Honestly, that looks incredible. It looks better than mine.
I just have to say, KFC who? KFC who? Woo!
Let's blend this. That looks good. Perfect. Okay, let's grab 2 large bowls.
Whoa. Okay. Let's try.
Are you okay?
Cut the top off first, boom. And then we're gonna take the bottom off, that's it.
Got it.
Then you're just gonna make a slit in it.
Got it.
Yes, then you're gonna take your knife and just roll it.
Woo!
And it's gonna remove this inside like a professional.
Like a professional.
Look at that.
Let's take the roasted tomatillos. Simply add that to our blender.
I like really want one episode for her to forget to put the lid on the blender.
Right now, that was about to happen.
Damn it!
We're gonna have so much fun.
What?
Yay! I feel like I'm getting an A+.
You are.
We got through it, fam. We got through it.